Hi, I'm Lisa and I've teamed up with Charlotte Tilbury to give you the Sophisticate makeup tutorial. I love this look because it's timeless, classic, and simply enhances everything you already have. At any point in the video, you can screenshot and the barcode will instantly become a shoppable, clickable link. To start, let's use a little Magic Away concealer, rub it under your eyes. That way we could pretend we got those 8 hours of sleep instead of Googling random things at 4 in the morning. To set that, we'll use a fine powder to keep away shine and keep your concealer in place. I don't always use powder, but when I do, I use Charlotte Tilbury. It's super finely milled and goes on super smooth. I didn't powder my cheek area because I'll go back and blush and contour in a bit. The Sophisticate palette by Charlotte Tilbury is the star of the show. We're going to start by taking a big blender brush and putting the prime shade all over our lid on either side. Next, we'll go in with our enhanced shade and we're going to blend it into the crease in the outer corner using a simple window wiper motion. Blend it in using the big brush again. We'll just do this on both sides. We're just going to blend that out until it's really smooth. After you're fully blended, we'll swap to a flat head brush and we'll go ahead and take the enhanced shade across the lower lash line. On any eyeshadow or eyeliner, I always like to stop at the midway point. That way you maintain a bright-eyed and open-eyed appearance. Next, we'll take our smoke shade with our fluffy blender brush again, and we'll apply it to the outer corner of the eye and blend it out in a little bit of a triangle formation. We'll do the same thing on both sides. Once it's blended out and super smooth, we're going to go ahead and swap our fluffy brush back to the flat brush, and we're going to take that smoke shade right along the lower lash line again. With the smoke shade, I'm also stopping at the midway point to play up the size of my eyes while keeping them bright and open. While I have my flathead brush, I'm just going to go ahead and take that smoke shade along my upper lash line. This will give it a little more definition. I am going to go ahead and smoke this out and smooth it out, but this will just give it a hair more pop along the lash line. Everything about the Sophisticate look is super smooth and super subtle. So we want to use a brown shade of eyeliner. You can use the classic brown in Charlotte Tilbury. I happen to have the chameleon shade Bronze Garnet. Bronze Garnet is excellent if you have light brown, honey, hazel, amber, or green eyes. It'll bring out the different flecks and colors within your eyes. Nothing about this look is tight lined. Everything's on the outer corner of the eyes and then buffed out and blended. Everything, again, is super subtle. What makes this look beautiful and timeless is it just gives those little touches to enhance what you already have. Next, we'll take the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lash Mascara and put it all along our lash line. A little hack that I like to do is I like to brush along the top side of my lashes before I do it the traditional way. Then I'll follow by going along the bottom. When I'm at the top of my eye, I brush up, and when I'm at the side of my eye, I brush out. This will help open up and enhance the look of your lashes and open up your eyes. Next, we'll just take that mascara to the bottom lash line and tickle those outside lashes. I like to keep it on the outside lash line just to keep it that defined, open-eyed, bright-eyed look. Sometimes if you carry mascara all the way through, too dark of a lash can cast a shadow on your under-eye skin. I'll use my fingers now to give my lashes a little curl. Eyelash curlers have always given me the heebie-jeebies, so I just like to use my hands. Next, I'll use the Beauty Light Wand in Hollywood Contour Kit. This includes the contour, highlight, and blush. They're all in liquid format. I tend to prefer the liquid in a cream over a powder on most makeup applications. I'm just using my finger to rub it in, let the warmth of my hand melt into my skin. Any extra I have on my fingertip, I just dabbed around my nose to give it a little contour. Everything's very subtle here. Again, we're just enhancing. We're not changing anything. Next, I'll take the blush and dab it along my cheek and my nose, then use my finger to blend it in. I love blush because it gives you that warm, youthful glow. I also like to put a little on my nose because it gives you that appearance like when you just played outside like a kid. Next, I'll go in with the highlighter on my upper cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and above my lip. This will just give you a little iridescence and light bounce along those sweet spots. Boom, a little radiance. Traditionally for the Charlotte Tilbury Sophisticate tutorial, they use the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat Lip Liner alongside the Kissing Lipstick and Yes Honey. Today I'm going to use the Lip Cheat Lip Liner and Pillow Talk alongside the Pillow Talk Lipstick. I love the Pillow Talk Lip Liner because it's very much my natural shade, so it just further defines the lip. It's a pinky nude. It also comes in 3 shades, so you can find the perfect one for you. I'm going to follow it up with the Pillow Talk lipstick, rub it a little bit and dab dab, then rub it together gently. For most people, Pillow Talk's what's introduced them to the Charlotte Tilbury brand. Next, I'll use the Collagen Lip Bath in Peachy Plump, dab it at the top and bottom of my center lip to give it a little added juiciness. You can also use the Lip Lustre in High Society as originally used in the Charlotte Tilbury Sophisticate tutorials. Thank you for joining me on the Charlotte Tilbury The Sophisticate tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this demo video. Again, you can screenshot the video at any time and the barcode will instantly become a clickable, shoppable link. New customers get 15% off with my code. Have a beautiful day. Thank you so much.